Morning, friends. So I am third day in from testing, well, not testing positive. I took a lateral flow test 2 days ago, was it? And it said I should get a test, and I had a PCR test yesterday. I know I've got COVID because my tea, I had a cup of tea this morning, didn't really taste nice at all. I've got a cup of coffee. This is Strength 6 Hot Lager Java coffee. It's delicious. It's our favourite coffee by miles, and to me it tastes like, really doesn't taste that pleasant at all. So, but that aside, how else do I feel? Well, remarkably, I had a cold most of December, and I feel a lot better than I did when I had that cold. I feel more or less fine. I feel a bit coldish, a bit of aches and pains here and there, but nothing major. Throat's okay. I did have a little bit of a problem with my respiratory system yesterday. A little bit of tickles in my lungs and my esophagus area, but I feel absolutely fine. Now, when I got up this morning, I looked quite horrendous. I let my beard overgrow a little bit, and my wife was in bed. She's sleeping really well, which is fantastic. She's not got COVID, and we share the same bed and everything. So that's pretty much amazing. But I got up, I didn't look that good at all, so I thought I'd go and have a shave and I'll smart myself up, and I think I look pretty all right, and I feel okay, and you know, so I don't think it's going to be too bad. I'm not saying maybe COVID's not fully kicked in yet, I don't know, but I feel all right. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be isolating till after the 8th of January is the last isolation day. So I'm not going back to work till the 10th, which is great, because me working at Royal Mail, we have such a good deal with the with management there through our union, CWU, commercial, it's not commercial, it's, I'll tell you in a minute, Communication Workers Union. We get full pay when we're on sick at Royal Mail, so that's great. I'm on full pay. I'm going to be off till the 8th, 9th, 10th. I'll be going back to work on the 10th of January. So in the meantime, I'm going to do what I can in the workshop. Now, 3 guitars in, which will take me probably got about 3-4 days working there. I'm going to try and get some guitars in. If anyone's willing to bring a guitar to the workshop, we're going to arrange everything by phone and to leave it outside on a guitar stand, and I'll be behind the door and we'll pick it up that way. If that doesn't materialise or doesn't happen, so be it. I've got plenty of my own guitars to work on, but I'm thinking, while the sun shines, so to speak, I may as well make hay, and if I could possibly get another 3 or 4 guitars in before I go back to work at Royal Mail in January, that'd be absolutely brilliant. So, very, very positive video today. I feel okay. Can't really taste food and drink that well, but I feel fine. I'm resting okay. My sleep pattern's still not absolutely brilliant. I do have a little bit of broken sleep, but I'm resting enough. I got a good 7 hours last night, and I feel really good. So I just wanted to update you on that regarding how the workshop's going to work next year. I'm going to give a big update in a couple of days' time, I imagine. But going forward, I don't see I'm going to be restricting anything. My headaches seem to have deteriorated a little bit. Which is fantastic news. My sinuses seem to be on the mend. I'm not saying they're clear yet, because they're not. I still think there is a problem in my sinus area, but that's I think it's more to do with swelling than blockage. In fact, I absolutely 100% think I have swollen sinuses, and that's causing the blockage and the pressure problems. It's not an actual blockage in there, because I'm flushing regularly and there's not hardly anything coming out. So I'm thinking if there is a blockage, it's got to be swollen sinuses, and I think it's down to a fungus or mould, black mould in the house. We have a few black mould problems in the house. That could be something to do with it. I need to investigate that area. But going forward with Friend, as things are, I'm thinking that I'm not going to scale down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut back the amount of days I work, but I'm going to work more hours. So I'm thinking I'm just going to work on client guitars Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, when I finish up Royal Mail. So we're looking 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon until 7 at night. So it gives me about 16 hours. Wednesdays I'm going to dedicate just to my own guitars. So I'm going to call Wednesdays a workshop Wednesday, and I'm going to be doing a string of videos just on Wednesdays, just of my own guitars, and I may do it as a series. So I may release a new video every Wednesday of what I'm doing in the workshop. I might even go live. I don't know yet. I'm considering it. We'll see how we are. But again, that depends on a few factors. It depends on my health going forwards. And how we move forwards with the headaches and the sinuses and everything. But I'm pretty optimistic, pretty positive. Like I said, I've got COVID. I found out 2 days ago I've got COVID, or I had a PCR test. Did I have a PCR test? Was it yesterday or the day before? Can't remember. It was yesterday. So it's not been confirmed, but I know I've got it. So I'm going to start isolating from, I believe, the 29th of January of December. Feel really okay. I'm not 100%, but I do feel okay. So I'm going to carry on. I'm going to blob on and be positive about the whole thing. So that is it. That's just a little update today. Today we are Thursday the 30th of December, year of our Lord 2021. We are New Year's Eve. So there'll be no going out and partying for me tonight. I doubt I'll be drinking too much because I can't taste anything. I did have a drop of whiskey last night, couldn't really taste it. I've had a tea and a coffee this morning, can't really taste them, or they don't taste that pleasant. But we'll see what happens. There's not much point with partying and gallivanting about, is there, even at home? So we'll see what happens. But anyway, pretty positive, pretty happy today. Doing all right. I expected to feel much worse. Maybe it's something to do with me having a cold. Most of December it was a stinker of a cold, and I didn't take any time off work. I went to work, worked all the way through. December being the busiest month for Royal Mail, and got through it. It was tough, but I got through it. So almost, in a way, me having COVID is a bit of a bonus because it gets me more time off work, gives me more time to rest. I get paid for it, and I'm going to go back to work in January, having rested, being energised and being pretty positive. So that's it. So that's all I've got to say right now. I want to thank everyone for their wonderful support that I've been getting via my YouTube videos and via my Facebook page. Your support and backup messages of comfort and blessings have been so rewarding for me. I really do appreciate it, especially those of you who are believers like myself. You're Christian and you've been praying for me. Praise the Lord. Thank you so much. Really appreciate that. And for those of you who don't know Jesus like I do, I pray that someday you do, because he is real and he does love you. But that is it. That is my update for right now. So just before I sign off, remind you of my websites, fretfriend.co.uk, even better, facebook.com/ng17. That's facebook.com/NGONESEVEN. I'm Victor. I am your Fret Friend. And until the next update, God bless you. Big hug to each other, and I'll see you soon.